Welcome to DevFest Bauchi 2025. It's another year, another celebration of community, of coming together to learn, share, and make friends. I want you to do one thing this today. Ensure that before you leave, you make 2 new friends. Not just people that you already know or people that you've been seeing, but someone new that you just met, someone new that will add more meaning or more value to your life.
It's not just teaching you how to manage projects. It is going to widen your scope. Within project management, you see other roles that you want to, that has your interest. You meet people, you talk to people.
It does its thing and it generates your product or your code for you. And if you want to tweak or make changes, all you need to do is change your prompt and it gives you the new result. This happens in seconds and minutes, saving you the time, energy, and strength.
Accessible by everybody, and you're expecting it to behave the way when me go pay. It's not, you cannot get the same result. So if you want it to behave the best and you want to get paid for using AI, please pay. Don't hack it. Pay.
I want to emphasize on the particular theme of this topic, which is we are trying to see how we can push people, encourage people, support people to leverage AI and cloud technology to build solutions. That is the overall theme for DevFest 2025.